Hello, this is Mrs. Coda. I'm going to quickly go over how to make a copy of a document, a Google document, so that you are able to complete it and edit it and do whatever you need to do to complete your assignment. I will often share a link to an assignment that is on a Google Doc through Haiku. And when you click on the link, you will be taken to a Google Doc and you will not be able to modify the document at all. So here I have just an example assignment page opened, and I'm not able to type, to do anything with it basically. It's like the master copy. So in order for you to be able to modify it and change it and do what you need to do, you need to make your own copy of the document. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up here, top left corner, File, and you're going to make a copy. It will ask you what you want to name it and where you want to put it. I just ask that you put maybe your first name and last name in front of the assignment name. You can keep the assignment name the same. So for example, I'd put like Mrs. Coda and then whatever the assignment name is called. And you can, if you're organized, you can put that in maybe a social studies or history folder. And when you're ready, you're going to click OK. It will pull up a new copy of it, and this time you'll be able to change and modify it. So you can go ahead and complete the assignment however you need to do it. And a lot of students like to go up here automatically to the share button. Please do not do that. I do not want 100 students' Google Docs shared with me. Instead, I am going to ask you to turn it into a PDF. So you can use this little print button. We're going to click it. It's going to take a minute to load and to download it. So now it has opened it up as a preview or PDF document. This is what you'll turn in. So if you click the little arrow here, it will automatically go to your downloads folder. If you're organized, you can move that to your social studies folder. But this is what you're going to turn into Haiku. I will not be checking documents that are shared with me. I will not be doing that. So if you shared it with me and think that that's the way to turn it in and get credit, you will not be receiving credit that way. I will not be checking that at all. I have a Haiku Dropbox. You have to turn it into a PDF and drop it into the Haiku Dropbox in order to receive credit. Okay, so once you have your PDF ready to turn in, you'll go to our class website and navigate to the tab where I put the assignment name. There are two ways to turn an assignment in. The first is the tab on the left. For example, if we're in studying Rome and I have assigned an assignment for Rome, if you click the Rome page, you will see that there is a Dropbox here. You can turn it in by clicking this button here. Now, if this button is grayed out and it's not letting you click, 99% of the problems is because you are not signed in. So please check the top right corner and make sure you are signed into Haiku. Go ahead and turn it in that way. Or you can go up here to Activities and go to Assignments. And you can turn it in this way too. Again, if it's grayed out and it's not letting you turn it in, check to make sure you are signed in. You should see a green check mark once you have successfully turned in your assignment. Once you've turned it in, you're all set.